To work with Sriram? Was it the delicious character? But also Sriram, and I really want you to weigh in as well. Were you nervous whether she'd do it? Because it's a lot of actors, I can't think of a lot of actresses who'd immediately gravitate towards playing someone who's so amoral, who's so greedy, driven by greed, and yet do it with just such conviction. And I wanted her to win when she's tossing the old woman out of the. Sorry if anyone hasn't. But if you haven't seen it till now, that's your problem. I mean, when she's tossing the old lady out of the window, it's the most heinous thing you can do. And that's the beauty of it. And still you're rooting for her because of the way you played. What was your instant reaction? And did you wonder whether she'd say yes?
So the first thing was I wanted to work with Sriram for a long time. And I thought, how is it that this director has never come to me? I have to work with this director. And I walked up to him at Badlapur's preview and I said, I really want to work with you. So he's like, yeah, whatever, and very... he gets little, he's not so, expressive and all that. So I said, see, I had to say what I had to say. Now I hope this really happens. And then one day I just out of the blue called him up and said, Sriram, see, if you do a film with me, don't give me all this mother role and boring role, okay?
Yeah, I remember that.
Poor thing was only listening to my ranting.
She wants a part. She's also going to tell me what part to cast her in.
I want to work with you. And he's like, okay. Don't give me this role. Okay, Sriram must be thinking, kya? So, and I said, yeah, of course I know you won't give me a boring role. Your films are like that, and that's why I wanted to work with him. Because I knew that the character he'll give me will be something that I would have never done before. And one day he called after many months and said, this is an idea and all this happened on the phone and all. And I started laughing. And then, of course, it kept developing and all that. Of course, the character, because it's really, really... crazy is a much used word, I feel. But it was something that I had never done before. And the format I had never worked in before. Because it was a very, very new area for me to explore also.
And these are big words because you have played very complex characters. You're the one actor who has, if it was a different actor saying this, you'd be like, well, you haven't played. But in your case, you have actually played very complex characters. And I don't
know what is it that made this whole experience completely different. It was really like a breaking of all that I knew. It was very challenging for me because of the format and because of the way it comes and goes, and also because I think I was trying to also understand what it is that was, so rattling about my whole experience playing this character. It was because the character, I don't think you can find a core to her.
Right.
She does not, because her core keeps changing in every scene because I think her survival is her core at every different point. And also she is improvising as she goes.
Right.
She's improvising because as an actor, you know what's going to happen in the scene. Yeah. But as a character, you don't know.
Right.
So to strike that balance between the actor and the character, where you're not supposed to know that he's going to do this, and you're supposed to keep convincing the audience that you're actually making it up. You're making up the poison, you're making up the mask, you're making up you're pushing the old lady because you've just thought about it. You're making up the whole speech at the prayer meeting, and you're making up the reaction when the police comes to you. So it was really like...
Was that new for you?
It was very new. Like, I'm getting goosebumps talking about it now, because I'm really trying to also decode the whole process of this, enacting this character for me. And Sriram has seen me through this. I'm sure he's seen so many actors go through this that for him he was watching it completely, objectively, but I was actually in it. So it was really, really something else, something new that I learned about myself and the craft of acting, about characterization, about the way a film is made. It was a very, very new experience for me. Yeah.
Is the whole business of understanding a character and getting into the head of the character a very lonely process?
With this character, I could not get into her head.
Right.
Could
because
not.
It's so shifty, yeah.
Yeah, that's why it was so difficult for me. It was actually rattling.
Right.
And that, and also the other aspect was that it's not dramatic, it's not staged, and it's not larger than life.
Right.
Because it's also real, it becomes very, very confusing.